Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. This week I decided that it would be perfect to talk about some holiday goodies that I recently received. I finally got a PR package from Kylie herself. She packaged and sent it directly to me, her team, and I'm very grateful. The packaging is adorable, okay? It is literally a soft, like Rudolph vibe. Like this I could sleep with. If it wasn't hard on the edges, I could sleep and cuddle this Rudolph. It's the cutest thing. You open it up and it has all of these beautiful holiday goodies in here. I took this one out. It's just the same as the one right over here. So we got a lip kit, we have an eyeshadow palette, and we have a highlighter. So I used all of these products on my face today, minus the lip kit because the lip kit is red, but I will show you a swatch of it at the end. So if you want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep watching. When I tell you the excitement of me just wanting to open this up, this will actually be the first time that I'm opening this. So I'm excited to see what it really looks like on the inside and what the colors are like. This is the Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette. Okay, packaging is adorable. It's like a little Rudolph moment and okay. So I feel like we can definitely do a lot with this palette. It's really cute. By the way, like my blush is really exaggerated today. Like I brought it up to the temples even just to create more of a, it's a little bit high fashion-y. So I'm kind of thinking like what would go with this. Let's just jump in. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's go in with a transition shade right here. I'm just interested in knowing what the shades are gonna look like and what I'm kind of really digging in deep there because I want to know how the fallout is. I used another Kylie palette before and it had a little bit of fallout and it was like a noticeable amount, but the colors were really pigmented. So I was like, I'm not really picky about it, but let's just go in. So we're just doing this as a transition. And by the way, guys, I'm just getting over a cold, hence why I kind of sound pretty stuffed. And I didn't even feel like getting dressed. I'm just staying in my robe. I hope you guys don't mind. I feel like we're in a safe space. You're okay with that? I'm okay with that. I'm always getting ready in my robe anyway, so it is what it is. Switching brushes, and we're just gonna dip into this deeper shade. When December comes, I know you want to. Of course, I have some Holiday Ari in my head. Okay, so we're focusing that on the outer corner. And like I said, I still don't really know what look we're going for. I just want a feel of what the palette is like. And so far, I am here for it. Normally, by the way, I wouldn't have my full face on, like my complexion. But today I wanted to film a couple other videos on TikTok, so it happened to be this style. But usually because of I'm afraid of fallout getting on my face and I just like to hold my lashes down when I do my wing, I usually do my eyes first and then my skin last. But that's just me. I really feel like every artist is different. There's no right or wrong way with this. Okay, I'm actually really liking how everything's blending out and the colors are really nice. I feel like they're blending really smoothly and I'm a little bit surprised at that because there's a lot less fallout so far in relation to the last Kylie palette that I had tried. Keep in mind, this is only the second time or like the second palette that I'm trying from her. And I'm actually, first of all, okay, can we just take a moment to talk packaging because I am a package designer and like I have a graphic design background. So I always look for this kind of stuff and it's so adorable. Like look at the antlers, like she's just cute, you know? Okay, so we could add a little bit of red if we wanted into the look. I'm kind of like, a little iffy about that. I almost did it. I was like, should I go there? Like, I'm so basic. Like, I'm being basic again. Step outside your comfort zone. Wing it. Switch it up. Me saying that and then still being like, I feel like I want this shade on my lids. Okay. I'm going in for what I'm standing for what I believe in. Okay. It's really pretty. I was worried that it was going to be really coppery, but it's like somewhere in between a copper and a bronze. Like Oh, actually, I see hints of gold. Okay, I'm just really into it. On the camera, it looks more copper. In real life, it looks a little bit more golden bronze, but it's very pigmented and it's going on smooth like butter, which is, of course, something that I look for when I'm looking for a shimmer shade. Like, I like them to be buttery, easy to apply. Have a look at that. So let's deepen it up. I'm going to go in with this deeper shade. I just want to know if it's going to go on smoothly and blend as well as the other shades, or if it's just going to be annoying. Okay, so we're definitely wanting to tap off so that you can disperse the product a little bit better. And so that it's not like getting stuck on your brush and like a ton of it is getting on your corner. There you go. Yeah, I'm focusing on the outer corner just because I like to wing it out and lift the eye by doing so. Here we go. Yes. This is really pretty. Elongating and lifting the eye in the outer corners here. After, I'm just gonna concentrate a little bit more product right here just to deepen everything. So that way you could see it's blended out really nicely. Created a really nice gradient, just swishing brushes to just diffuse a little bit. As a topper, I think I'm gonna just apply the shade Love You Dearly, but like right in the center. And dear is spelled D-E-E-R, so cute. Anyway, right in the center of the eye to just make things pop. And then just diffuse that with your finger. Go in with a brush after if you need to, like if you feel like it's not getting diffused enough, but I feel like it's easy enough to just pop it on with your finger. I'm feeling the idea of a smoky wing, so I'm gonna use eyeshadow, black eyeshadow. Stealing this from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, one of my all-time favorite palettes. And I'm just gonna create a wing that's not meant to be like a very serious wing. It's just meant to replicate what a normal wing would look like, and then we can just kind of smoke it out. It's not, it doesn't need to be the sharpest wing ever. It's just a really quick and easy way to get the same feel of having a wing, but you just don't have to do as much work, in my opinion. So this angled brush is just helping guide the way, and then literally all you need to do is just take your fingernail and just like do a little swipe and you're in the right direction. I swipe it up and then you're good to go. Popped on some mascara, but I just wanted to show that I'm taking whatever is left over on my angled brush and just connecting that wing out there to the bottom lash line. And this is just going to create a really nice look just so that the eye is connected. I'm also going to be putting it in the inner corner here. That's after I apply my highlight, so stay tuned. Okay, now we're moving on to the Kylie highlighter in the shade Winter Rose. By the way, don't mind my nails. They really need to be done, but okay, I've used this already, but I forgot how lit it was. So it is really lit. And people were saying like, oh, it's really natural. I don't feel like it's really natural. Like, to say really is a stretch because there are glitter flecks in it. But if you want it to be blinding, then you could definitely make it blinding very easily by just layering it up. So I'm just popping it on the highest points right here and here. I'm not really trying to enhance any texture because I do have texture on my skin in this area. So I'm not trying to do that. But I will pop it in my inner corners. So I'm going to just take a little bit of that on a smaller brush and just pop it in here. And then I'm going to finish off the eye. I really want to do that inner corner moment. So I'm just popping that in here. And of course, this is a Christmas collection and Rudolph is literally on the packaging. So you already know that we are popping on a nose highlight. I got a little bit of mascara on my nose right here, so I'm just waiting for it to dry so that I could flake it off. So annoying, like literally such an annoying process of when your like makeup is perfect and then you get mascara on your eyelid or on your nose. You're like, okay, thanks. As you could see, It's very pretty. I'm going to swatch it on my hand maybe to just show you a little bit more of what it looks like. It's just like really out here. It's also like at certain angles, it's not crazy, but then you turn and it's like, bam, like blinded. So here it is with my face like moving around so you could get a full feel. Angled brush again, and this is, by the way, a MAC 266. You could use any angled brush, it doesn't matter. And I'm just gonna take it from here and just drag it down just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Just look at the difference. It changes the shape of the eye quite a bit, and I really like it. It's so beautiful. I'm loving how the look is turning out so far. Okay, so also I can't not mention my very first Kylie lip kit. So this is a holiday lip kit and it's in the shade Dashing. It comes with the lipstick and the lip liner as normal, but I don't really think a red lip would look too good with the current look that I have on right now. I mean, you could if you want to, but you guys know I'm more of a neutral girl. I like a little bit of a pink with my blush, but I'm gonna link a video right here for you guys to check out what that red lip actually looks like. It's very gorgeous for the holidays, and it actually looks really nice on my skin tone. It's really tough to find a red that looks good on my skin tone. Like, it's not always giving what it's meant to be giving, but this one actually does. This is a really cute gift because I feel like the packaging is really festive as well. Like, all of these are really cute and festive. The whole entire vibe of everything is just really sweet. There's neutrals with red basically, and we have the metallic vibe. So yeah, overall, I'm really impressed. I think the holiday collection is really cute from what I've tried here. And Kylie did this, okay? And by the way, guys, I just want to mention how grateful I am to be able to receive PR from big brands like this, like brands that I genuinely love, like Huda Beauty and things like that. Like, I'm just literally so grateful for you guys in general. I know nobody watches my YouTube channel, but whoever's here, that the few of you that are watching my YouTube, I really appreciate you. And yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Just a little sentimental moment. I'm not going to make it too gushy. It's something that I just really wanted to say because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to work with the brands that I love so much and create content that I love, doing what I love, which is makeup. Hello, I'm obsessed still 10 years later. So I'm just gonna show off the final look, the blinding highlight, the whole vibe. And I wanna thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget that I post every single week, so please like and subscribe. I'm gonna link my most recent YouTube video right here. And I post beauty, fashion, all of that stuff. If there's something you guys wanna see, then please comment below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.